Hey, what's up, everyone? Matt Wolf here. Things are crazy right now. People are looking for ways to make extra income on the side. A lot of businesses are shut down. Brick and mortar stores are closed. If you have an e-commerce business that was importing stuff from China, your supply chain is probably all messed up. A lot of businesses are looking for some extra ways to make money. So we're doing a series of videos all about some quick ways to generate some income into your business. Today, what I want to talk to you about is what we're calling our tiny funnel concept. And if you watch all the way to the end of this video, I'll actually show you how you could just get this funnel that I'm creating for free. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a real simple tiny funnel, right? This tiny funnel consists of two pages, your sales page and the delivery page. So the page where people are actually deciding whether or not they want to buy your product, and the checkout page. It's going to be all in one. And then after they check out, the actual product delivery page. That's the whole funnel. It's a tiny funnel, 2 steps. And we're going to build one live on this video here. I might speed it up a little bit because I'm going to do a lot of copying and pasting and dialing it in. But the concept is this: using a tool like Thrivecart, you can actually create a very simple funnel with your sales page, your checkout, and then after that, the delivery page where you actually deliver what you just sold them. So I'm going to go ahead and build a page like that right now using a course that we sell called Simple Traffic Hacks. Now this course, we sold it for, I believe, $27, and it's a 4-video series with some simple traffic strategies. And it's a real great example of something that I can build a tiny funnel around. So sales page, checkout, and then straight to the product delivery. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and build that right now. I'm gonna log into my Thrivecart account to build this. And again, if you watch all the way to the end of the video, I'll show you how you can just have this funnel that I'm building. All right, so I'm gonna go into my Thrivecart account here. I am going to go to products, and I am going to create a product. This will be a digital product. And I'm going to call this Simple Traffic Hacks. The description is Simple Traffic Hacks, and then in parentheses, I'm going to put tiny funnel, so I know this is one of our tiny funnels. I'm going to select live for this. This is going to be a live product, and then the product owner is going to be me. All right, so the URL already exists, so I'm going to go Simple Traffic. I'll make the checkout page for Simple Traffic Hacks. All right, so next. So for the product price, we're going to sell this for $27, one-time fee, no trial, no limit, and click next. And I want to only allow one purchase at a time because it's a digital delivery there. I'm going to click next. If you have other offers you want to put into the sequence, you can. For the sake of this video, I'm going to skip the bump offer, but a bump is a little additional box. It's kind of like an impulse buy that you can add to the bottom of your order. But I'm not going to do that for this one. I'm just going to show you the minimum viable product, minimum viable funnel that you can build here. All right, so next I'm going to add my payment processors. We use Stripe, we use PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save there. Next, I'm not going to set up affiliates yet. In one of our future income hacks videos, I'm going to talk more about affiliate marketing. But in this one, we're not going to talk about affiliate marketing. I'm just going to show you the sort of minimum viable funnel that you can build. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. Enter our support email here. What should happen after the purchase? Display their total invoice, send them to a URL, add them to a membership site. I'm going to leave display their total invoice and just leave it like that. We'll get into it in a minute when we actually build our funnel here. So now you've got your cart designs. You've got standard, sales cart, embeddable, or pop-up. I'm going to go ahead and use the sales cart because I'm going to basically recreate this sales page right here that we've already created. This one's actually an upsell. So after somebody buys our book, they get an upsell for our Simple Traffic Hacks course, but I'm making this a standard sales page, so I need to duplicate this whole thing again in Thrivecart. So I'm going to use their sales cart. I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to launch our editor here. And now I'm just going to start building out this cart page like it looks on this here. So the first few steps I will do the standard way. And then I'll probably go ahead and speed up the video while I finish building it out, because otherwise it'll just kind of get redundant. So I'm going to go ahead and add a heading up on the top here. inside our white box. And I'm actually gonna ignore this because that's basically thanking them for opting in. Want some simple traffic hacks? Watch this. I'll go ahead and paste that in right there. And I'm going to center it, and then I want the font size to be quite a bit bigger. I actually want my whole page to be a bit bigger, so I am going to do a adjust spacing, content area width. Let's make it a bit wider so it sort of matches the width of our existing page here. Something like around that range. Let's go 60 just so it's an even number there. Save the spacing. Now I'm going to go back here. I want to make this font big, like so. I like to use the Roboto font. I don't know why. It's just a font that I use a lot. Let's adjust some spacing here. Squeeze the top up a bit there. All right, so right below that, I want to embed our video. So I'm going to go grab the video element, drop it below our headline here, make the video size full width like that. And then I use Vimeo to host my videos. You can actually use a YouTube unlisted video if you want. So let me find this video here, simple traffic hacks. Okay, so I found the video in Vimeo, so I'm going to go ahead and embed it using my Vimeo embed code, which I can find over here. I like to turn off the text below it, copy my embed code, and then I'm going to jump over to Thrivecart and embed it right to where it asks for the embed code. So that video is embedded now. All right, let's see what's next. So then I'm going to add a buy button that says, yes, I've got to see this. So I'm going to go ahead and add a buy link right below our video that says, oops, yes, I've got to see this. Save that. And then button type, let's go full width. So it's like the same width as the video, as you can see. I have this little color picker Chrome extension that will help me match my colors. So I just drag over this and it gives me the hex code of my colors. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my hex code here for this color. And then I'm going to actually change this button so it matches the existing one that I have. Click OK. And then let's kind of mess with the size here a bit. Boost that up like so. Now, so I got our headline, our video, our yes, I've got to see this button just like here. This one's squared off. I kind of like the rounded look, so I think I'm going to leave it a little bit more rounded off on the new version. And then there's a divider right below there, so let's go ahead and put a divider in below our buy button. I can actually probably turn off the credit card icons. Those will be down at the bottom anyway. So this is a dashed sort of line there. So let me select this and do our dashed line so it looks similar. I'm actually going to change this font to match. I believe it was 999. Actually, I'm going to go a little darker with it. Let's go the 60, 60, 60. Okay, that looks good. Then I'll make this line down here the same sort of color scheme, which was 60, 60, 60. Click OK. So now those colors are matching. So now we've got our headline, our video, our buy button, and now we're going to go ahead and start adding our text copy in. And this is probably where I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video so you don't have to watch me do the whole thing, but I'm going to go ahead and start it off. So let's go text, pull it in below our little checkbox here. And I'm going to go ahead and copy my first chunk of text all the way down to my bullets. Let's copy that, and we'll paste that in here. And now obviously the fonts need to be adjusted. I need to do some bolding and some other stuff to it to make it look good. So we get it. Traffic is hard but confusing. So I'm going to go ahead and bold that section. Then down here, the lifeblood, blah, blah, blah. Traffic is the lifeblood. So I'm going to go ahead and bold that one. And then I'm just kind of matching my design here. You will understand some of the hottest and most current step-by-step traffic strategies. We've got that bolded. So you will understand. So that's that. Now I need to boost up my font size quite a bit so that it matches a little bit better. My line height's a little heavy, so let's go 1.2, 1.3. Yeah, right around there. Now it's looking a little closer. but I want to get my color scheme in. What was it again? We were looking at 60, 60, 60. So that's now I'm matching my colors up. I'm going to change my font to the Roboto font. And there we go. So now I've got my headline, my video, my buy button, my little dashed line. I've got my copy here. And then I'm going to add some bullet points here. So I could grab my bullet heading, or my little bullet element, drop that in here. Let's grab my bullets. And I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste those in. And just kind of fix the formatting there a little bit. Bold the titles of them. Then what was my font size up here? So we're doing a 21-point font size up here. So let's make this one also a 21-point font size so that it matches. Get my text color. 60, 60, 60. There we go. So that matches a little bit better. On the free traffic side, I forgot to add that in, so I'll make that a another little text box here. Paste that in like so. Bold, underline, and then let's bring this up to 21-point font. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish copying and pasting all the rest of my text over, and then I'm going to speed up the video while I do that, and we'll be right back in a second. Okay, so I've gone ahead and duplicated that whole sales page right here. I'm going to go ahead and save and exit real quick. And I'm just going to save and get URL. So all of my changes save just because I spent time doing that. We can go ahead and sample my checkout page real quick here. You can see we've got our headline, we've got our video, we've got our buy button. If I click the buy button, it scrolls down to the checkout here. All of our copy, we've got the same bullets, same highlighting. I kind of duplicated all of the design from our original page here. I think the font might be a little bit bigger on the original page, but that's okay. I kind of like the sort of tighter look a little better, actually. But I can tweak that a little more, and then they can check out. So that's step one of our tiny funnel. Step two is to actually deliver the content. All right, so let's go back over to Thrivecart and edit product settings here. And now I'm going to go back to our checkout, design, launch editor. This time I'm going to go to our success page here. Now we're going to go ahead and just essentially build the members, what the members get access to right here on the success page. So we're just going to put, welcome to the Simple Traffic Hacks course. I'm going to go ahead and center that. Let's go ahead and keep our text color consistent here. 60, 60, 60. Go ahead and do that. So all of this stuff is the receipt. So that's going to be there by default. So I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, show PDF button. No. We'll go ahead and leave the contact support button there and click done. And then I will put right below here, scroll down this page to access your training videos. Let's center that, make it a little bit larger there. And then what we can do is just start building out a little members area here. So let's go heading number 1. So video number 1. I've actually got these videos over on Vimeo also. So let me go find them again real quick. All right, so it's these 4 videos. So video number 1 is podcast guesting. The podcast guesting strategy. I'll go ahead and make sure my text color is the right color. All right. Then I'm going to drag and drop a video element right below that. Make it full size there. And now I'm going to grab my embed code here for this video. Let's see. Now if I grab my share link, show options, remove this text, copy my embed code, and then plug it right here. You can see I can do alternate things too. I could put two of the videos side by side, or just put them in a list. So I'm going to just put them in a list because I think it's easier to view that way. I just think that's simpler. I'm actually going to make another heading right here, and I'm going to say free strategies. Make that a little bit larger font size there. Let's go ahead and put a divider here. Let's make it this style, so it looks consistent from the page they were just on. I'll leave this one as black actually, just because it makes it stand out a little more. So free strategies, video number 1, the podcast guesting strategy. I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this real quick, put it down here. And this one will be the community hijacking strategy. So let's go video number 2, the community hijacking strategy. And then let's go ahead and duplicate our video element here, drop it below. And then let me grab the embed code for this one. Grab our embed code, turn off the text link below it, copy this code here, and slap it into Thrivecart here. Click done. Now I'm going to go ahead and do our paid strategies section, because we've got 2 free and 2 paid strategies. So paid strategies, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this divider here. So split up the sections a little bit more, like that. So our 2 free strategies, our 2 paid strategies. I'm going to clone these, bring them down. Clone this one, bring it down. So we've got video number 3 and video number 4. Let me see. So video number 3 is the 1-sentence ad. Video number 4 is search and recover. All right. So video number 3, the 1-sentence ad strategy, and the search and recover strategy. All right. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the videos here just for speed. And then I am going to swap out my 2 embed codes. So video number 3, the 1-sentence ad strategy. I'm just going to open these in new tabs to make it quick here. My links. Again, all of this could be done with unlisted YouTube videos. You don't need to use Vimeo. This is what we're set up with right now, so this is what I'm using. Copy my embed code for the 1-sentence ad strategy. Let's go ahead and paste that in there. Video number 4 is the search and recover strategy. So copy that embed code, and we'll throw this one into there. Let me grab my little dashed line just to kind of bookend it there. So there you go. Basically, you've got your sales page. I can make the whole thing wider like this. Make this font size bigger. Make this so they know what to do there. And I think we're pretty good. I think, so now what will happen is they'll land on this cart page. They'll see our video, read all of our copy, checkout right here, all on this same page. After checkout, boom, they get dumped over to the success page where all of the videos are already embedded, ready for them to go ahead and start viewing. If I wanted, I could add a button below each video that says, download this video, and let them download the videos to their computer as well. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to let them come to the success page to watch the videos. And we're good. This should all work and is a fully functioning mini funnel that you can run with right now. So let's go ahead and save and get URL. And view our checkout. And there you go. We got our sales page here. Actually, let me do something. I'm going to go to edit product settings, and I am going to actually put this into test mode real quick. So save and get URL, view checkout. And here's our entire simple funnel now. So I can, yes, I got to see this. I just watched the sales video, read the copy. Now I'm ready to buy. So enter your email address. Credit card. And then any valid date. So let's just go for 21. And then the CVC is any digit. So let's go 1, 2, 3, complete order. This is just the test credit card details here. I'm going to go ahead and complete the order. And as soon as I purchase, it's completing my order, and it takes me to this page. Welcome to the Simple Traffic Hacks course. I've got my receipt up here. And then here's the free strategies, the paid strategies. I could watch all of these videos. It's ready to go. My entire tiny funnel is complete. And that's it. Everything's working. So now I'm going to go ahead and flip this back to live mode because we tested it and it's all working. And save and get URL. And we've got a fully functioning funnel here. That's how you make a tiny funnel. Now, I said at the beginning of the video, if you watch all the way to the end, I'll tell you how you can get this. So this was obviously all built using Thrivecart. I built the checkout page, the sales page, the checkout page, and the delivery page, all built with inside of Thrivecart. I now have something that I can promote that costs $27. And now Thrivecart just rolled out a new feature that's a share feature where I can actually share my entire sales flow with you. So if you decide to grab Thrivecart and you grab through our link, I'll just give you this funnel that we just made, this tiny funnel. You can have it, like even the products and the content and all of it. So if you don't have a product yet to sell right now, you can just go sell this Simple Traffic Hacks course. So if you need an extra little income stream, you can install this funnel that I just built into your Thrivecart account. I'll give you a special link after you buy through our account. And with that link, it will import this funnel into your Thrivecart account, and you can just have this. The sales page is already made for you. The success page where it delivers the content is already made for you. You can just install this with all the videos embedded, and you can drive traffic to it if you want. Now, if you've already got a product, swap out all the details. Swap out the headline, the video, change some of the copy, embed your own content videos onto the success page. You know, you can do that stuff yourself, but if you don't have that stuff ready, you can actually start selling this course that we just created for you. But you got to get Thrivecart through our link if you want us to give you this share funnel. There should be a link somewhere on this page where you can learn more about Thrivecart. But if you grab Thrivecart today through our link, this funnel is yours. You can just import it into your Thrivecart and either redo it with your own content or use the existing content that we already put there. All right, so hopefully you found this video helpful. This is just one way that you can create some extra little bits of income right now while things are a little bit crazy. This is part of a video series we're going to be doing over the next several days of little quick income hacks that you can do to build income streams online. So hopefully this was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.